castle on a cloud. There is a lady old and young,
holds me.
and sings a lullaby. She's nice, you see, and she's soft to touch. He says, "Who's that? I love you very much." Now what?
I know a place.